Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we will do amazing assignment 19 in our math textbook. Chapter 1, numbers up to 10,000. First one is Vinay collected 30 color marbles. Express the number of marbles in Roman numerals. So here Vinay collected 38 color marbles. How many students? 38. 38 marbles he collected. Express the number of marbles in Roman numerals. It is in Hindu Arabic numerals. So we have to convert into Roman numerals. First we have to write the places of the given number. Ones and tens. Yeah, now you have to expand the number according to the places. 3 is in tens place. It means 30 plus in ones place. The digit is 8. It means 8 ones. We have to write like this, 30 plus 8. Yeah, now we will write in Roman numerals. So how to write the 30 in Roman numerals? So 30, x means, in Roman symbols, x means 30, 10. X means 10. So how to write 30? When we are repeating the same symbol thrice, it means we have to do the addition of their values. So here we are repeating x 3 times. So 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10, 20 and 20 plus 10, 30. So what is the symbol of 30 in Roman system? Triple X. Next, 8. How to write 8? We don't know the direct symbol of 8. So we have to write 8 as 5 plus 3. The symbol of 5 in Roman system is V. Next, what is the symbol of 3? We don't know, but we know the symbol of 1. What is that? I. So we are writing 3 like 1 plus 1 plus 1. We get 3 only. So one symbol is I. Again one more 1 I. Triple I. So 8 symbol is V. Triple I. Like this we have to write the 38 in Roman system. Next, second question. There are triple XV students in a class 3. Express the number of students in Hindu Arabic numerals. So there are given one Roman numeral. So we have to convert into Hindu Arabic numerals. The given number is triple XV. My dears, it is triple XV. It is in Roman system. We have to convert into Hindu Arabic system. So now only I said when we are repeating the same symbol, it means we have to do the addition of their values. So here the x value is 10. X value is 10. See how many x are there? 3 x are there. So we have to do the addition of their values. 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10, 20 and 20 plus 10, 30. And again you have to give the addition symbol. And the symbol of V in Roman symbols we use to write the 5. V symbol is 5. 30 plus 5. So, my dears, how much? 30 plus 5? We get the answer 35. There are 35 students are there. Yes. Next, we will go to the next one. Next, every year, India is celebrating Independence Day on 15th August. Which date we are celebrating Independence Day? 15th August. Express the date of Independence Day in Roman numerals. So we have to express these number in Roman system. Mention the places ones and tens. Now we have to split the number 10 plus 5. In the Roman system, Romans are used to write the 10 by using the alphabet X. X symbol, X value is 10. Next, in the Roman system, 5 uses to write V. So the value of 15 is XV. Next, fourth question is Swaroop has 18 story books. Okay, Swaroop has story books. How many? 18 story books. So express the number of story books in Roman numerals. So Swaroop has 18 story books. It is in our Hindu Arabic numeration. So we have to convert into Roman numerals. Again, split the number ones, tens. Okay, next, 10, split the number 10 plus 8. In the Roman system, the symbol it indicates x Next, how to write the 8? We don't know that. We have the direct symbol of 10, but we don't know 8 symbol. So we have to split like 5 plus 3. Romans are used to write the 5 by using the alphabet V. Next, how to write the 3? Direct symbol is not there in Roman system. So we have to write 3 like 1 plus 1 plus 1. The 1 symbol is I. Here 3 ones are there. So you have to write 3 I's. So the symbol of 8 is V triple I. Next we will go to the 5th one. The cost of pen is, they given one Roman number. That is triple X V triple I. Next, express the cost of pen in Hindu Arabic numeration. They given in Roman system. We have to convert into Hindu Arabic numeration. That is triple X V I. So here the value of X is 10. Then the value of V is 5. And the value of I is 1. My dears, look at it close. Look here. They given 3x. So we are repeating the same symbol. We have to do the addition of their values. Okay. X means 10. And do the addition. Again one more x is there. The next value is 10. One more x. 10. Plus. Then V value is 5. Plus, then I value is 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 I's are there, that's what I write 3 ones. Now we will have to do the addition. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. And 30 plus 5, 35. 35 plus 1, 36. 36 plus 1, 37. 37 plus 1, 38. The answer is 38. The cost of pen is 38. Next, the 6th one, they given the fill in the blanks. So we have to fill with correct answers. The symbol can be subtracted from L and C in Roman numerals. It is one of the Roman rule of Romans. So they are subtracting only X from L and C. Next, the Roman numerals, there is no value of 0. They not use 0. 0 doesn't have any symbol in Roman system. Next one is repetition of a Roman numerals is not allowed more than dash times. It is one of the important rule in Roman system. Any symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Yes, my dears, I hope everyone understand.